Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear your search history on Gemini. Right, so it's very easy thing to do. So on the top right side corner you will see this option of your profile icon. Now here this is Try Gemini Advanced. So if you just go and click on it, it will show you all these settings of Gemini, and it's just asking you that you can buy the subscription and everything, right? So we don't want to do it. Now to delete it, there's no such any special option. You have to just go to your Google account here, and once you go to your Google account, open it up. Now you have to go to your data and privacy section, and once you go here you have to scroll down and you will find all this option, my data and everything, right? And here you have to go and click on this +3 icon. The number could be something else. Now here you have to go and click on delete as service. Now it will redirect to you again the same Google account, but here it will ask you that which data service you want to delete it. So as you can see here, there's no such option for Google Gemini, but here Google Gemini is a product of Google service. So here you can just go and click on delete a Google service. Now here it will verify your account, and it will ask a fingerprint or any verification for it. So just enter your password if it asks, and here you can just delete it, right? And in this way only you can just delete it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.